everybody, this is Xavier from ITS Service. Today we have the iPhone 6 Plus with touch disease. So I opened the phone and it looked like someone tried to fix it before. Okay, and what happened is, like usual, we open the phone, we clean it, and then we take the mason and we do the M1 jumper. But it looked like the tech before me, he tried to fix it and he broke all this line and was short to ground. So what I did, I cleaned the short and then I took jumper from the U2403 to this point, and then I'm gonna put mason back. So I'll show you guys here what I did. Okay, so I took a jumper from my point from the ZXW to the M1, and I'm gonna put mason back. So I decided to do this video to the people who try to do the jumper. If you guys have this trace is missing, the M1 trace is missing, all what you need to do is just to do a jumper from what's the name again, from 2403. Okay, so thanks for watching and I wish you guys the best.